precious jewels, mythics and fruits and all other precious things to all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas to accumulate in a merit to receive the gifts of the Lord. Teta Java Tamjaya Maya Sambo Chala Dede Dokta Java Kula Chandra Chaparandi. Now we are confessing all the negativities whatsoever we might have done through our body, speech and mind in front of all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. Jajashena Demo Anye Pradan Mata Deshe Yeke Kipa Dade Kipa Chiche Dada Kamje Kage Sosrosha. Now we are rejoicing over the accumulations of merit whatsoever accumulated by Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, Arhats and so forth, all other practitioners. Choje Java Kintan Sangye Seranye Nanda Loka Nilo Loa Kunje Sonam Kala Jata Kunje Jeso Dayera. Now we are requesting all the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, Masters to turn the wheel of Dharma to purify our ignorance and obscurations. Choje Jite Jamata Chanjo Rima Sanje Macha Requesting all the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, Masters not to pass away in Nirvana, remain firm in samsara to benefit all sentient beings. Nyanye Gata Ganje Ulai Peshin David Papa Singye Dunye Shubai Adye Namo Rakara Sawarati. Now we are dedicating all the merit whatsoever we have accumulated through the 7 branches of offering to all sentient beings to attain enlightenment. Chandra Vatan Chaje Shavatan Chesu Yiram Kushin Sawai Kyawa Chungse Tati Chisab Kamje Tati Chanchu Chimo. Now we are getting the attention of all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas of the generation and also the Vajra Master to witness that we are taking Bodhisattva vow. Chuma Shukre Sangye Chumdende Kamje Satura Nete Chanju Semba Chembon Mama Koje Semba Chembon. Now we are going through the ceremony to receive the refuge as we take refuge in Buddha and Sangha until we attain enlightenment. As in the past, how all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas they generated the aspiration bodhicitta and engaging into the education bodhisattva practices and attain enlightenment. Similar like that, we are giving rise to aspiration bodhicitta and engaging into the practice of the bodhisattva training to attain enlightenment to benefit all sentient beings. Sembe la bala,
วะ